Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Satechi stand and hub for a Mac Mini. So I just slid everything out of the box. So here's what comes in the box. We've got it comes sealed. So there is this little, maybe we should just cut it. Yeah. Whoops. And there's a cable back there. So if you cut it, you want to be very careful. Yeah, there's a cable right there, Roy. So be very careful. So unboxing, wow, this is kind of tricky. Huh. Yeah, you definitely have to take that seal off. But that was pretty hard to unbox. Okay, so that cable is permanently attached, but it comes around the bottom. It looks like that's where it's stored, but you're going to plug that into the Mac Mini. The Mac Mini is going to sit right here. This is the hard drive we can put right here. It doesn't come with a hard drive, but we can slide one in there. That's what it looks like. Some feet. Okay, so in that little bag there was something else. I don't know what it is. Ooh, a little screwdriver. Huh. Oh, and a screw. One screw and a screwdriver. Must be for the hard drive. So you put the hard drive in and then you can screw that little screw in. Okay, let's take a look. SD card slot, micro SD, headphone jack, USB 3 USB-A. They've got different speed ratings, and then one USB-C. Looks like a little light. And that's it around back. Nothing around back. Okay, so here I have a Mac Mini. There's the ports, so you're gonna plug, so it's gonna go like this. Yeah, it sits down there just right. And then you would plug this into one of these ports. And you still have a USB-C, HDMI, headphone jack on the back still. This is where you plug it in. So with the Mac Mini on it, it's 2 inches. It's the same size as a Mac Mini, 7 3/4 by 7 3/4. This cable, 4.5 inches long. It's a USB-C Thunderbolt. So there's the type of SD. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.